Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve Facebook story black skin problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting and scroll down. Tap on app management. Tap on app list and scroll down. Tap on Facebook app. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK and click on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage and tap on delete. Now open on Play Store and search Facebook app. Search Facebook app. Update Facebook app if showing on Play Store or App Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.